So, greeting students. So, up to now we have discussed few of the numerical based upon combination of resistors. So, next numerical in that series is shown here. So, what is the statement of your numerical? In the given circuit above, 5 resistors are connected as shown above to 12-volt battery. What you have to calculate? Total resistance in the circuit, total current flowing in a circuit. So to solve these type of numerical, first see what is given. So when we observe this electric circuit, what is given? Two resistors, 10 ohm and 50 ohm. Three resistors, 30, 20 and 60. So total 5 resistors are given. Out of those 5 resistors, 2 are here, 3 are there. As shown in the diagram, this 10 ohm and 40 ohm, they are in parallel. 30, 20 and 60, they are in parallel. So first step is to simplify this circuit diagram step by step. So let's assume this is the R1, this is the R2 and this is the combination A. R3, R4 and R5. Total 5 resistance. This is combination A, which is parallel, visible from the circuit diagram. This is combination B, R3, R4 and R5. They are in parallel combination. So how we can solve them? First step is simplify them. So there are two arrangements, A parallel, B 3 are in parallel. So we will solve them one by one. So but we have to calculate total resistance. So first we will calculate the total resistance of combination A, then total resistance of combination B, then we will move toward the next step. So first is combination A. Let's assume total resistance of combination A is RA. So how we can calculate combination total resistance for RA? So for RA, R1 and R2 are in parallel. And what is the formula for parallel combination? 1 by RA is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So this is the formula for parallel combination. कि in parallel combination उसमें हम क्या लेते हैं 1 by RA is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. What is the value of R1 from the diagram? 10 ohm plus what is the value of R2? 40 ohm. So after solving this, 10 into 40, you can do by your method by LCM. So I am doing by shorter method. 10 into 40, 40 plus 10. So 50 by 10 into 40. So what you will get? 1 by 8. So again this is the parallel combination. So 1 by RA is equal to 1 by 8. Means 1 by RA is equal to 1 by 8. What we need? Value of RA. तो इसको हम क्या कर देंगे? रिवर्स कर देंगे. इनवर्स तो क्या हो जाएगा? 8. So first we have simplified that. कि अगर इसको हम डायग्राम की फॉर्म में अगर हम बनाते हैं तो डायग्राम की फॉर्म में क्या हो जाएगा? हमने टोटल रेजिस्टेंस इनकी निकाल ली है. अब क्या बच गया है? I will only draw the upper part. So this is RA, which is 8 ohm. So first we have calculated and simplified the diagram. RA is equal to 8 ohm. So I hope up to this step this question is clear to everyone. Second step is we will calculate the total resistance of RB. RB is the combination of R3, R4 and R5. कि RB जो combination है वो किन तीन resistance का combination है? R3, R4 और R5. And visible from the diagram, circuit diagram, they are in parallel. So similar to the first one, we will calculate the total resistance for the RB combination. So 1 by RB is equal to 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. Now put these value. So 1 by R3, what is the value of R3? 30 plus 1 by R4, what is the value of R4? 20. And what is the value of R5? 60. 1 by 60. Now either do by this method or you can take the LCM. LCM method is easier this time, so that is why I am taking this. So when you take the LCM, it will be 60. So 30 into 60, 2, 23, fine. So what will be the 1 by RB? इसको आप सोल्व करोगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? 6 by 60. तो 6 by 60 कैंसल्ड, 1 by 10. अब ये क्या है? 1 by RB is equal to 1 by 10. So RB उल्टा कर देंगे इसको तो कितना आ गया? 10 ohm. If we move towards the circuit diagram, so this was after the first step. फर्स्ट स्टेप was हमने A को सिंप्लीफाई किया था. नेक्स्ट इज आफ्टर द सेकेंड स्टेप. तो अब हमारे पास क्या है? RA, और तीनों को हमने इकट्ठा बना दिया है. तो RA हमने पहले कितना निकाला था? 8 ohm. अब हमारा RB कितना है? 10 ohm. Now RA and RB both are in. Now complete the circuit. It will be easier to understand. So plus minus. तो RA हमने किससे निकाला है? इन दोनों से. और RB हमने किससे निकाला है? इन तीनों से. तो दे आर इन पैरेलल. these three are in parallel. तो टोटल इसकी हमारी कितनी आ गई है? 8 ohm. And total resistance for this combination, that is the B combination, that is 10 ohm. Now when you simplify the diagram, how they are now? RA and RB, they are connected end to end. Means RA and RB, they both are in series. So for series combination, what is the rule? So total resistance is equal to, because RA and RB both are in series, so total will be equal to 8 plus 10, 18 ohm. So total resistance of these all combinations, कि अगर हम और सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे इस डायग्राम को तो कैसा बन जाएगा आपका? By simplifying this diagram further, तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगी? एक सिंगल रेजिस्टेंस बच जाएगी जो हमने सबकी टोटल करके निकाली है. वो कितनी आई है? 18 ohm. मतलब अगर हम इस तरह की अरेंजमेंट को किसी सर्किट के अंदर लगाएंगे तो पूरी अरेंजमेंट के अंदर टोटल रेजिस्टेंस कितनी आने वाली है? इन 5 रेजिस्टेंस, मतलब these 5 रेजिस्टेंस combined together to produce total resistance of 18 ohm in this full circuit. So this is the answer of first question, ki total resistance in the circuit which is 18 ohm. So I hope how you can calculate or how you can simplify the diagram, it is clear to everyone that why the total resistance of circuit is 18 ohm. So first step we have done the total resistance in the circuit. Now we will move toward the second step, and the second step is second part of the question is we have to calculate total current. Total current they are asking, so we will apply the Ohm's law to the full circuit. V is equal to IR. What is V? Total potential difference of the circuit. How we can identify? Find out the source of potential difference. What is the source of potential difference? Battery, which is 12 volt. So in place of V I will write 12 because the total potential है पूरे सर्किट की वो given है, which is the 12 volt. Second is total current. We have to find out कि कितना करंट उसमें से पास हो रहा है, multiplied by the total resistance of the circuit. Total resistance we have calculated in the first step, which is 18 ohm. So by rearranging 12 by 18. So after solving this, I is equal to 2 by 3, or when you solve it 0.66 ampere. So this is the amount of current that is flowing through the circuit. So I hope this numerical is clear to everyone. So these type of numerical generally comes in the board exam, and sometimes in case of difficult question paper, slightly more complex questions you will find. So what is given in this statement? Two combinations. First is R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. We assume this is the A combination, this is the B combination. और हमने इंडिविजुअली पहले A combination की टोटल रेजिस्टेंस निकाली, B की कैलकुलेट की. तो जब हम A की निकालते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है, सिंपल सर्किट हो जाएगा. फिर B की निकालोगे टोटल पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन का फॉर्मूला लगा के, तो RA कितनी आई आपकी 8 ohm. After solving this by parallel combination, RB is 10 ohm. And as seen from the diagram, they both are in series. तो सीरीज में है तो इसको हमको क्या करना है, by applying the series formula, R is equal to RA plus RB, which is the 18 ohm. This is the answer of first part, the total resistance in the circuit. Next is they are asking the total current flowing through the circuit. तो total जो current circuit में से flow कर रहा है वो हमारा कितना होगा इस केस के अंदर, by applying the Ohm's law to the whole circuit. So V is equal to IR. V is given for the whole circuit 12 volt. I हमको calculate करना है. R we have already calculated in the first step 18 ohm. So by rearranging you will get I is equal to 0.66 ampere. If you want to go for the round off, it will be 0.67 ampere. क्योंकि 6 आता जाएगा और 5 से ज़्यादा होता है तो हम एक ऐड कर देते हैं. So 0.67 ampere. So this is the numerical related to the combination of resistors. Thank you students.